born after transitioning. Led by Don Camaso, was denying itong PNP any easy access to the basket. Wala kang layup na nakikita, wala kang breakdown sa nakikita. Naintindihan nila. They are the best defensive team. Pero ngayon, they're appearing to be the better defensive team kumpara sa number 1 defending team in the league. Ako pala ng PNP.
Top two positions in the tournament. And contested that pair. That was all the way up. Escalona has been trying to score one-handed runs. That's a double dribble. There's no need to rush out.
No relief job para kay Capo sa Don Camaso.
Point guard is asking the ball.
Lamang.
Actually, this is a team that does not naturally have to play fair.
Pero siya na-interview para sa mga nakakap siya eh.
Keeping me watch like blockers. They know that the weak in the source of course. The rest of the guys that has other plans. Nagmamadali yung gets blown.
Mami, mas may ano, saan ulit na. Absent na.
Ball. Gigigil lahat sa all of a sudden. Eight